Now, dear audiences, we are in India. I would like to say something. Just once time I went to India. I have been in Delhi, in Taj Mahal. It's very beautiful country, very amazing, historical. Food I can't say because it's too much spicy.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm interested in these flowers. What does it mean?
This is like for welcoming people.
Welcoming, really?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Oh, what can you have you interested some other cultures? You are participating in each year here, as I know. Yes, is it your first time?
No, this is my second time.
Second time. So, have you been interested some cultures, some foods, some traditions? Can you say something?
Yeah, like Syria, Palestine. Yeah, and Pakistan also.
Pakistan also. Nice. What about Turkish culture?
Turkish, we are already staying here, so we know the culture.
You live in Turkey. Why did you choose Medipol University from India to Turkey? It's too far.
It's a good university. I like the country. I like Istanbul.
Do you speak Turkish also?
No, çok az.
Çok az. Yeah. How did you find the foods, Turkish foods?
It's nice. I like it.
You like it? I think in India bread is also spicy.
No. Same like Turkey.
Do you miss Indian foods?
Yes, sometimes.
Here. Okay. What about Turkmenistan? Do you know about Turkmenistan?
No, but I have few friends from Turkmenistan.
Really? I'm from Turkmenistan actually. Nice to meet you too. I would like to come to India again to visit Taj Mahal.
Sure, you're
It's
always
very
welcome.
historical, very famous, as I know. So, do you have something to say about your tradition, your country?
We have a very diverse culture, and our food is very nice, and you can see we are very colorful.
Really, you have very colorful in your country. Really. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice joy and fun.
Thank you to Medipol University, and thank you to Azim Consulting.
Thank you to Medipol University. Thank you to India. Welcome, India.
Azim Consulting.